This workflow automatically qualifies leads for your business, saving valuable time. It takes new lead data from a Google Sheet as input, sends it to Claude AI for qualification, and then writes the qualification status and notes back into the same sheet. You'll see a qualified or unqualified status appear in seconds, along with the brief explanation from the AI. To build this, you'll need an n8n instance, either self-hosted for free or via their cloud service, starting around $20 per month for basic plan. You'll also need an API for Claude AI from Anthropic, which incurs usage-based costs. Verify current pricing on their website. Finally, a Google account is necessary to create and manage your lead spreadsheet. First, set up your Google Sheet with columns for your lead data, such as lead name, company, email, message, and an empty column for qualification, status, and AI notes. This sheet will be the starting point for all new leads entering our workflow. Ensure column headers are clear and consistent, as n8n will reference them directly. In n8n, start a new workflow with the Google Sheets trigger node. Configure it to watch for new rows added to your specific lead qualification spreadsheet. This node will automatically activate our workflow whenever a new lead submission appears in your designated sheet. Following the trigger, you'll already have the lead's data. However, for clarity and reusability, sometimes adding a simple set node to structure the data can be helpful. Ensuring all relevant fields like name, company, and message are cleanly passed to the next step. This prepares the data for the AI to. Now, add an HTTP request node to send the lead data to the Claude API. You'll configure this node with the Claude API endpoint, your API for authentication, and the specific prompt containing the lead's details. Make sure your request body is correctly formatted as JSON for the API. Craft a precise prompt for Claude. Instruct it to act as a lead qualification expert and define clear criteria for qualification, such as specific company size, industry, or stated need. Ask Claude to return a qualified or unqualified status, along with concise reasoning or follow-up notes. Clarity in your prompt is crucial for consistent AI results. Claude will respond with JSON containing the qualification status and notes. Use a code node or a JSON node in n8n to parse this response and extract the status and notes fields. This step transforms the raw AI output into structured data ready for your Google Sheet.
Finally, add a Google Sheets node configured to update row. Map the extracted qualification status and AI notes from Claude's response to the corresponding columns in your spreadsheet, using the original row index from the trigger. This completes the loop, placing the qualified lead data directly where you need it. Let's see it in action. We'll add a new row to our Google Sheet with a sample lead. Observe how n8n detects the new entry, sends the data to Claude, and then updates the qualification status and AI notes columns automatically within moments. This real-time update confirms the workflow is functional. For robustness, consider adding basic error handling. After the Claude API call, include an if node to check for successful responses. If an error occurs, you could send an email notification via a send email node to alert you to issues, preventing missed leads. This ensures you're aware of any workflow interruptions. Be aware of Claude API costs per usage and n8n's rate limits if using their cloud service. While AI is powerful, it's not infallible. Always consider a periodic human review for critical leads. Fine-tuning your Claude prompt over time is essential for improving accuracy and matching your specific business criteria. This lead qualification workflow is a powerful starting point. For your next build, consider extending this to automatically send personalized follow-up emails to qualified leads using a tool like Gmail or MailChimp, further streamlining your sales process. You could also automatically add qualified leads to your CRM.